Hello.
Oh, yes, I can see. Hello. How are you? It's been quite a long since we talked on a particular topic.
Yes, yes. By the way, nice to see you again. And yes, it's been very
Thank
long
you.
time since we had
Yes,
the very first conversation, right?
yes. We had three or four conversations till now. Okay, yes. So this is, I think, fourth or fifth conversation. It's
Yeah.
going to be.
All right. Yes, yes, yes. So today we
Yes,
are going to talk about the artificial intelligence, right?
yes,
All right.
yes,
Uh, yeah, which is, I could say that it has become a talk of the town again.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. So, let us start, just by being familiar, with what
What
what exactly it is.
it is,
Okay, what
correct.
is artificial intelligence? Okay,
Yes.
so you start the topic. Okay, what is artificial intelligence? Okay, then I'll proceed. Yes,
Okay, first I just want to give a brief, uh, uh, brief introduction of this. So now everybody is talking about this artificial
yes,
intelligence, and I think it is rapidly becoming the most important and rapidly evolved technologies of our time, right? And
yes,
it is solving various complex problems and automating, you know, mundane tasks and creating new products and services. And
okay,
yeah, these are several things we have been hearing for since long, right? So,
yes,
and I mean, for me, like when I say artificial intelligence, so in simple words, I can say that the intelligence which is made by human and it works similar to the human being, how they work, but
yes,
without having emotional aspects, I could say.
yes, yes,
Right.
yes, yes.
This is my
Okay.
understanding about it. Yeah.
Okay, so my understanding is very similar, okay, to what you have just said. Okay, but you see, to precisely define artificial intelligence, okay, we can say that it is a science and technology of creating a device or machine or an app, okay, which mimics the human intelligence, right? Which mimics the way humans act, the humans think, and humans perform so many works, right?
Mhm.
So it mimics the human intelligence, and human intelligence is uh, called the natural intelligence. Okay,
Correct.
because we have acquired intelligence very naturally. Okay, but artificial intelligence, it is being made artificial.
Mhm.
Okay, with the help of data, with the help of algorithm. Okay,
Mhm.
and with the help of data and algorithm, a model is created. Okay, then that model is called an expert in a particular field,
Okay.
right? And in this way, the model of artificial intelligence work, okay, be it a
Mhm.
device or an application or a humanoid like robot, okay,
Robot.
Sophia and all. Okay,
Yeah,
nowadays,
Shiri.
yes, nowadays we can see in Astak news channel, okay, there is, artificial anchor called Sanam. Okay, she
Okay.
reads weather report.
All
Okay,
right. All right.
and other kind of news also. Okay,
Okay.
so I mean, we are witnessing so many applications of AI nowadays in so many
Correct.
domains, in so many fields,
Correct. Correct.
right?
Correct.
So I mean, this is a general view, a general idea of AI.
AI.
Now we can proceed this talk by delving deep into this topic, artificial intelligence. Okay,
Okay.
so
All right.
I would like you to, I mean, explain. Okay,
Uh-huh.
the viewers, me too. I mean, what is involved in intelligence? I mean, intelligence is based on what factors? What factors constitute the intelligence? whether it is the natural intelligence like human intelligence or artificial intelligence, what is involved in that intelligence?
So intelligence, when people say intelligence, so as human being, like we use our brain, right?
Yes.
Our neurosystem and our potential to think and analyze
Hmm.
things, criticize things. So these
Yes.
another words, I could say that thinking ability. We can think, we
Yes.
can take data, we can analyze data, and on the basis of our own understanding and own thinking and the processing way, we can have some output. So this is how we work,
Hmm.
our brain works,
Okay.
right?
Right.
Similarly, when it comes to talk about artificial intelligence, so I feel I don't know too much about it, I mean technological aspect.
Hmm.
But what I
Hmm.
understand is what that three types of artificial intelligence are there, I guess, if I'm not wrong. First is, I
Hmm.
have read this pre-ruled AI. I mean,
Okay. Rule
pre-programmed,
based,
rule-based, sorry, yeah,
pre-programmed.
rule-based,
Yes.
which is based, which follows pre-programmed rules,
Okay.
which helps to take decisions like this. Okay.
Correct.
Second, machine
Correct.
learning, which works with algorithms and everything, and then
Hmm.
they perform tasks on the basis of
Hmm.
algorithm, and they I think use algorithm to learn, and
Hmm.
by the helping of data, and then they perform the task. So this is, and
Yes.
third thing is deep learning, deep machine learning and deep learning. So in deep learning,
Hmm.
I was confused when I was learning what is deep learning, but there was a
Hmm.
word when I was learning, that neuro system is there. So how does it work? I don't know, but I learned. So I thought that maybe some like we have neuro system in our brain, and we use
It
this. So
mimics the neuro. Yes. It
yes,
mimics the neuro system of the human being, human
being
brain,
brain.
basically.
So
Yes.
it process the large amount of data by the help of its neuro system. And how does it work?
Hmm.
I don't know. But these are three
Hmm.
different kinds of AI. And so basically, what I feel that it can do each and everything what a man can
Hmm.
do, and in fact it can go beyond the limit of a man. I mean, a man can do a certain task. A man has limitation, because one man
Yes.
has, or one woman has some certain skills, some certain capabilities and everything. But when we use a robot or an artificial intelligence tool, so it can process a large amount of data. It can give us a lot of outcomes, and we can take help on several aspects, because uh, it is it is not limited. I mean, we have limitation, we have our boundaries, but it can be more efficient, I guess.
Can you elaborate on the limitations that human beings have? Okay, and artificial intelligent machines don't have. They don't have any limitations. So some specific examples.
Limitations, when I say limitations, suppose I'm a woman, I'm a girl, I can think in a limited way. Uh, i have uh, i have my own capacity, but in a limited way. So maybe I can do certain tasks, but
Mhm.
if I can process, if I can use all the brains of the world, I mean all the best brains of
Mhm.
the world, and
Mhm.
so my capacity, my potential will be increased
So
in
that is
this.
our limitation. Yes,
Yes, this is
that
my
is
limit.
our limitation. Yes,
Yes,
this is my limitation. Our limitation, that whatever we have learned so far, we can use only that.
only that.
Okay, but yes, but artificial intelligent machine or application, they can use the minds of everybody. the whole data all over the world.
Yes.
Okay, right. So, okay, so this is one thing. Okay, and so we are limited in many different ways. Okay, which artificial intelligent machines have no limitation. Okay, but I think there are certain things in which we surpass the artificial intelligent devices or applications. Okay, so can you please elaborate on that? Okay, what are those things? Okay, where we surpass the artificial intelligence.
I think a human touch is incredible, and
Yes.
no artificial intelligence can get it. Like emotional, uh, when we become being emotional, we can do several things on the basis of the situation. We can take our own decisions, we can change our mind, we can think,
Mhm.
we can feel,
Yes.
we can understand in a better way. And I mean, this is, I think, this is the leverage we have. And so far
Yes.
as I know that this is something the artificial intelligence can't do until and
Yes.
unless they can feed it with such thing. You never know, maybe
Yes.
in future like there are
Yes.
science fictional movies, we have seen so many things in those movies.
Mhm.
This is our imagination, but this is something I
Yes.
feel that this is the area where the artificial intelligence is I mean is lacking.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Megha, I would like to talk about
Mm-hmm.
some myths about artificial intelligence.
Yeah.
Right. So, I mean, to summarize, we can talk about three main important myths, okay, which people are not aware of. Okay, first myth is the artificial intelligent devices can think like a human being.
Okay.
Okay. So that stage has not yet come. Okay, the artificial intelligent machine or application, they cannot think like a human being. As you just mentioned, okay, we can recollect things, we can pause, okay, we can stop, okay, wherever we need to,
Yes.
okay, and we can recreate things, okay, and so on, so on. So this is one thing, okay, that they cannot think the way human beings can think. Okay, I think this is one limitation on the part of artificial intelligence, right?
Okay. All right. Yes.
Because generally people think that they are more intelligent, they are yes, they are more capable, but in certain areas. Okay, for example, in complex calculations, okay, we cannot calculate so complexly, okay, but they
Hmm.
can calculate, okay, instantly. Okay, suppose if you have to calculate, if you are asked, okay, what is the result of 125 raised to power 26,
Yeah.
suppose,
I'm not able to
okay,
calculate.
you won't be able to calculate, okay, neither me, neither anybody,
Anybody.
okay, it is not humanly possible,
Correct.
okay,
Correct.
but artificial intelligent device or application can do it in instantly, in
And
an instant.
within few
So this is
seconds.
one case. So in complex calculations, okay, they are far, far superior, okay, than human beings,
Than human being.
right? So this is one myth, that the artificial intelligent devices can think like a human being, okay? Second myth is about they're being more creative. People think that artificial intelligent devices or applications are more creative than us.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, they cannot be. They cannot be more creative. They can manipulate things. Okay, suppose if you have to create a nice, invitation card,
Hmm.
okay, right, for a particular function, okay, so being a good graphic designer, okay, you will be able to design a good invitation card or wedding card,
Hmm.
okay, by using your own imagination and thinking power,
Thinking power.
right?
Yes.
But if the same task is assigned to an artificial intelligent device or application, okay, what it will do is at the most, okay, it will be, extracting, some images, okay, and extracting the relevant things, okay, and merge all of them, okay, and it will take care of the fact that it will look a little beautiful. That's all. Okay, this is their creativity. Means the manipulations of multiple images to create one image, one suitable image for you. Okay, so that is their creativity. Okay, which is not the creativity at all. Okay, it is basically, if we look closely, it is manipulation of the data,
All right,
not
but
creating.
yeah, but here I would like to ask one question. Like recently, I have seen the same kind of picture in one video, but
Hmm.
it is beautiful. If I know that we have our own creative power, we can think as per the situation, we can create as per the demand, and
Yes.
it doesn't have any limitation. We can do anything.
Hmm.
But what uh, if every possible creative aspect is feeded in an artificial intelligent device, and
Yes.
by the manipulation of those data, that artificial intelligent device can create another image. So it can be possible to do it. I mean,
Yes, it is
all
possible.
about is feeding data, right? When we feed data
Yes.
in a machine and algorithm and everything, on the basis of these such things, that machine works, right? So what
I
if
mean, yes.
i'm saying I'm saying that like, for example, we can't calculate, like you said, we cannot calculate
Yes.
complex data or
Yes.
calculation, but a machine can do. How can a machine do? Because the data is already fed in the machine, right?
Yes.
On the
I
basis of
understood what you're
and
saying.
process.
Yes. Yes. What
On
you're
the
saying
similar
is,
way, yes, on the similar way, if we feed several aspects of any field, creativity of any field, so what happen if we
it is
do?
happening. It is already happening. Okay, we are feeding voluminous data.
Hmm.
Okay, to the artificial intelligence device or applications. Okay, data
Hmm.
is there. Okay, in that way, okay, they are superior than us.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, they can manipulate, multiple image data to create a new image.
New
Okay,
image.
that is not possible for us. Okay, but I am not saying that to be creative. Okay, that is the manipulation. Okay, manipulation. I mean, if by manipulating you are creating something beautiful, that is okay. Okay,
Hmm.
I'm not objecting that. Okay, that is
Hmm.
okay.
Okay.
Okay, so you have created a beautiful wedding card. Okay, with the help of artificial intelligence, machine or application. Okay, that is fine. Okay, but I'm talking about creativity from the human perspective.
Correct.
Okay,
Okay.
from the human perspective, right? Okay, once I was using an artificial intelligent application, okay, and I asked it to create a poem, on a particular topic. Okay, it came up with a new poem, right? But when I, got deep into it, okay, then I found that it was the amalgamation of three or four poems,
All right.
right? It was only the amalgamation. Okay, that is not done, okay, by a creative human being. Okay, if you ask a poet, a true poet, an
Hmm.
original poet, okay, to write me a good poem, okay, on this particular theme, okay,
Hmm.
he will be creating, original, something original, an
Yeah.
original poem, okay. So that way, I'm saying, I mean, it is a myth, okay, to some
All right.
extent, it is a myth that the artificial intelligent devices or applications are more creative than human beings. I mean, more creative. That is the myth. They
Yeah,
can be creative.
they
Okay,
can
but
be creative. Yeah, but
that they can be creative, but not as creative
as
as human
human
beings.
being,
Okay, yes, yes.
that
So that stage has not yet come.
yeah, come.
Okay, but people have this wrong idea, the wrong notion that artificial intelligence machines, they are more creative,
Hmm.
right? Right. So these are the two myths And thirdly, that it will, it will reduce or it will impact the job opportunities. Okay, yeah, it will decrease the job opportunities. You see, if artificial intelligence, okay, is more developed, okay, then it will be creating, okay, more and more job opportunities. Okay, not the traditional job opportunities.
But
Okay,
new kind of job.
new kind of job opportunities. Okay, the only thing required is we need to be
Updated.
updated. Okay, we need to be updated. Okay, we need to pace up. Okay, with that development. Okay,
Correct.
so these are the three myths that I found. I mean, to be worth mentioning.
Yeah.
Okay, anything else about artificial intelligence?
I have few questions like everybody's talking
Yes,
about increasing job, I mean unemployment. Um,
yes,
it can eat people's job. People are
mhm,
talking in this way.
yes.
But I agree what you have said. But what about those people who cannot be updated as the demand of the market? So what happens with those people?
I
Like
mean,
I'm talking
I
about
understood.
those people who are doing conventional job. Okay.
Yes, for doing conventional jobs. Yes. Okay. I mean, if the artificial intelligent device, a particular device, okay, for example, there is an application called, you must have heard, okay, and used also, Chat GPT.
Correct. Yes, I have used it.
Okay. Yes, you have used it. Okay, so Chat GPT is, able to create any kind of content, okay, based on a particular topic. Okay, so it can snatch the job of, content creators. Okay,
Hmm.
we have content creators in all the publications.
Hmm.
Okay, in all the publication houses. Okay, uh, I don't think it will replace their job. Okay, as far as I'm concerned. Okay, they can, the Chat GPT can enhance their own creativity. Okay, so let us look at this aspect positively with the positive outlook. Okay, why not update yourself, not in the sense that you will have to learn something new. Okay, but you just learn to use the AI devices
AI
or
device.
AI applications like ChatGPT to enhance your creativity, to enhance your work. Suppose your boss assign you to write an invitation letter, a
Hmm.
content for invitation. Okay,
Hmm.
instantly you can create. Okay, because you have the tool ChatGPT. Okay,
Correct.
instantly, and you can edit in your own way. Okay, that content. Okay, so it will be more time effective, cost effective, right? So there are positive things associated, okay, with using AI tools or AI applications. Okay, so I look at it this way.
Okay. Okay. All right. All right.
Yes,
Um. One question is here from my side. Suppose any industry, any business, are seeking for this devices to
yes,
decrease their workforce. All right.
okay,
Suppose
yes.
in one industry, so employees are there and they are seeking for these devices, AI devices,
Hmm. Hmm.
to reduce the workforce. So what,
Hmm.
how it will create, an impact
I
over there?
mean,
Is it?
there is no yes.
Yes.
I
Yes.
mean,
Yes.
it is true. Okay, what you said is true. Okay, there is no denying the fact that it will reduce. Okay, in some areas it will reduce the workforce. Okay, and people will be affected negatively. Okay, this is very true. Okay, I mean, there is no alternative way, okay,
Way
then to be updated
updated.
yourself, to
Correct.
be update yourself, there is no other alternative. Okay, either you switch your job
Profile
or your
or
domain, your domain, okay, where AI is still not it has
existing.
not yet come,
Yes.
it has
Yes.
not yet come. Okay, so either to switch to that area, to that domain, okay, or if you have to remain in the same industry, then you will have to be updated, to update yourself all the time.
All the time.
Okay, we are updating ourselves, okay, with communication skill, with learning the different techniques of AI applications. The way we are updating ourselves, okay. Likewise, okay, everybody has to be updated, okay,
Correct.
in some way or other, okay, in whatever field you are, okay, you will have to update yourself, okay. There are many areas where there is no AI, okay, there is no AI.
Oh, yeah.
There's so many areas, right? So I mean, I would like to say that AI is still in its infancy, okay. It is still, in its initial stages, right? And in this context, I would like to mention here that there are three types of AI. Okay, one is called, you must have heard these terms, narrow AI or weak AI. Okay, narrow AI or yes, narrow AI or weak AI. Okay, this is
Okay.
one type of artificial intelligence.
All
Okay,
right.
yes. So narrow AI means the application of AI in a specific area only, in
All
one
right.
domain.
In one
Okay,
day.
suppose there is an AI-based chatbot, okay, of a particular company. So that chatbot is only associated with that company. Okay, and it won't respond to your query. Okay, it will respond to a certain queries. Okay, suppose
Certain
if
things.
there is, yes, if there is a chatbot, okay, of a hospital, okay,
Mm-hmm.
so it will respond to your queries which are related to a disease or medicine, or, admitting to that hospital, etc., etc.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so these applications are called narrow AI or weak AI, means restricted to a particular area or a particular domain or subject.
All right.
Okay, then we have, yes. The second type of AI is general AI. Okay, artificial general intelligence.
Mm-hmm.
General means multitasker.
Oh,
Okay, multitasker.
all right.
So, yes, so an AI device which can do multiple things,
Mm-hmm.
right? Okay, now we have very few devices or applications which can do multiple things. Very few. Most of the AI devices or AI applications belong to narrow AI or weak AI. Okay, so we are still in the first phase only. Okay, and general AI, we have been able to create very few AI applications. Okay, which comes in this category.
All right.
Okay, then yes, then the third category is super. Okay, artificial super intelligence.
All right.
Okay, so we have very far away. Okay, from this stage
From
because
this.
yes, because it involves the human emotional element.
All right.
Okay, emotional intelligence also. Okay, suppose you are talking to a chatbot. Okay, and if you are asking a question, okay, with anger, okay, so normal chatbot, okay, will not understand, okay, whether you are asking this question with anger or very politely. It won't
Right.
understand. Right. So it will respond accordingly, according to what you said, not according to how you said it.
All right. Yes.
Right? Yes.
Yes.
But if it is developed more and more, okay, and if it can understand your emotions also, then it will be responding in the same way.
Okay.
Okay, it
This
might
is
respond, yes,
how
it
I.
might respond. Yes,
Yes.
it might respond, okay, taking into account your emotion. Okay, if you ask a question very lovingly,
Okay.
right, very politely, okay, then it will respond in the similar manner,
Okay. All
right? So if this emotional element is there, okay, with an AI application or an AI device, okay, then it might come under artificial super intelligence.
So, is it
Okay,
possible to incorporate these in
yes,
intelligence
yes,
and
it is possible. Okay, because there is I mean some to some degree it has been possible with Sophia. You must have heard
Yes.
a
So
humanoid called Sophia. Okay, so if you ask a question to Sophia, okay, with a particular emotion attached to your question, okay, it will respond accordingly.
according.
Okay, but there is no guarantee that that response will be correct or not.
Correct
Okay,
or not.
it is not guaranteed, but it will try to take into account your emotional element also. Okay, so very few applications, okay, have been created, one or two. Okay, but it is not general. It is not general. It is not in the public, right? So I mean, most of the applications, I mean, 90% applications, okay, belongs to the first category. Okay,
First
narrow
time.
AI. Okay, whether we are using Chat GPT or we are using an AI device which is helping a doctor to diagnose a disease. Okay, that is also narrow AI because it is concerned only with a particular disease, right, or a particular domain. Okay, so we can categorize AI applications in these three categories.
All right. All right.
Okay, narrow AI, general AI, and super
But
AI.
AI. All right. All right.
Yes.